Hi there, you are on 100 Coin channel. My name is Michal, and today we talk about list of literature for investors. Uh, if you only do your first steps in this uh, branch of human activity, you must to read some material for uh, better certain of your ways in investments there. Uh, what we must to do, we take some books and we first of all will talk about pro literature for investors and traders. First of all, I must to say you, if you, I hope you will choose way of investors but not traders, because trader is extremely difficult craft, and not every man can spend time and can get success in this, because you must to have not only financial knowledge, but and you must have strong background. I talk about maths, physics, and theory of probability. So investments for wide circle of people, but trading only for some persons. Uh, First of all, I recommend you read book Benjamin Graham, Intelligent Investor. This book useful for all ages, all people, and I think you must read this book with pen and with paper. Um, every page of this book has incredible value for every man in modern society. Uh, Next, Jack Schwager, Complete Guide of Mastering the Markets. Good book for start, for first steps in open markets, and here you can find information about charts, about diagrams, indicators, and you can get first view what all these people do here. Next book is Prechter and Frost, Elliott Wave Principle. Elliott Wave theory is a highly interesting branch of trading, and I think you can spend time for researching for research this book, and for more deep um, dive into Elliott theory, I recommend you Glenn Neely Mastering Elliott Wave. So, position number one, Graham, you will get basic of fundamental analysis. Second, Schwager, you will get basement about technical analysis. Third and fourth, Elliott wave theory. And then we read Robert Colby, Encyclopedia of Technical Market Indicators. You will see what we have about 1,000 different indicators, what give us a scene, what no one indicator can get you money. But sometimes investors use simple moving average or any simple indicators, and I think you must to read this book for acquaintance with technical indicators. Maybe in the future you will create your own trading system, but I think this is not easy way, and for most part of people, I must to say, don't spend your time for searching something what will give you super result. Nissan Japanese candlesticks charting techniques. Japanese candlesticks really interesting part of trading, and here you can find patterns, and if you in the future will think about patterns in different charts, you can, I think you can find own methods for your money. Next, pay attention any literature where inside books you can find information about different technical figures, like double bottom, double top, head and shoulders, and another different price channels, search information, what mean support, what mean resistance, when we can talk about break, support or resistance, and try to read one book per month. In this case, you will grow in this branch. And I must to say about your mood, about your energy, what will push you in the brilliant future, your brilliant future. Read books, watch movies, because we talk about literature. I recommend you read Uh, Next one, Theodore Dreiser Financier. Here, 3 volume, and you will get enjoy if you inside industry and or if you only start to develop in investments there. What about such authors as Linda Rashke, Bill Williams, Larry Williams, Alexander Elder? You can read such their books, but I think you must start with this list. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and good luck.